Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one functionality in Google Drive. So if you can see here, this is the storage of my Google Drive. So there is a lot of storage available. So once you run out of storage in Google Drive, so how do you find out the files that is occupying most of the space in your Google Drive and clear it out? So if you come to Google Drive, you will notice that you will not be able to sort these things. You can sort it by last modified date by owner, but it doesn't let you sort it by file size. So it will be very difficult for you to identify the files that is occupying most space in Google Drive. So for this, there is no direct option to come to that. So what you can do is you can create this URL. So you can just put in drive.google.com, drive u0, and you can put quota, QUOTA, next to your this one. If you see here, drive.google.com, drive.u0, instead of my drive, you can change that to quota. Now you will be able to sort it based on the file size, and you can identify the files that is occupying most space in your Google Drive account, and you can delete it, and that way you will be able to recover some space in your Google Drive. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.